What's good, YouTube? So we got the truck out today and we are going to be taking it out for a POV drive. Let's start it up real quick. Thing is going, that's for sure. Well, I need to make sure I'm not like super low. Give me a moment. I think I gotta fix the camera really quick a little bit. Let's see, like that. That should be better. Hopefully that's a little bit better because I want to make sure. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that thing in the back? Sounds so good. All right, let's get on the highway. I'm not gonna keep it in manual mode because I can't even see because of this big truck. What are we waiting on? What is this lady doing, bro? Man, get... I'm about to throw... Oh, thing is so loud. This is I'm losing traction already. Oh my God, this thing is getting sideways. All right, open that. Just gonna stop hearing that noise because I still have not seen what was wrong with that window sill thingy. So bro, this thing, we're gonna get a little bit of a pull here y'all this morning. Oh look, Charlie going that way. So I'm actually on the way to the gym because I haven't worked out in like a few days, so I'm like completely out of it and I need to get back into it. So that's where we're headed right now. This thing is moving. This thing is moving though. Oh my God. Oh, what? What? Who? Where? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, bro. But I think we're good right now. We're just chilling. We ain't doing too much. Tell you right now. Well, I can tell you right now though, we're about to have a little bit of fun under the bridge. Yep. Oh my God, I need to stop doing that. That's so annoying though. I don't know what's going on with my like windowsill. It's like it makes that vibrating noise for some reason. I don't know if it's like not in properly, but I don't know. It's just doing it. Hopefully I can figure out a way to fix it, but right now, nope, can't. Unfortunately. But I ain't gonna lie though, these roads are so open right now. We got a lot of people driving too. A lot of people driving. It's not like usual where it's very slow, but today it's definitely people outside. But y'all let me know how you guys are doing though. I mean, I appreciate all the support. We're at 1,032 at this point on the subs, so we gotta keep going up, bro. We're going. 2,000's already coming. We're about to get to that level, but can't do it without you guys. So I'm gonna keep on bringing this content, and hopefully you guys are enjoying it. And yeah, got another truck coming onto the highway. He ain't want nothing. He ain't want nothing with this truck. Probably an EcoBoost. Probably an EcoBoost. Too many crazy people out here that I cannot not look at my lanes anymore. I gotta watch every single thing I do, because you never know in this. Ooh, y'all heard that? Thing got up. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Okay, that's the sound I want to hear. I need to get like a mic for the exhaust area. Like that sound crazy on the production of these videos. I will at some point. Down we go. Crazy in the morning. Sounds crazy. Oh my God, this is the worst lane I picked. I picked the worst. You ain't coming in front though. Coming in front. Big truck. Listen to that thing. That truck sounds good. A big diesel. Big diesel truck. Oh, I love that. Yeah. Fan on that side. They finished the construction on this side? Yes, they did. Yes, sir. We don't have to worry about no more construction over here. That's for sure. Oh, no, bro. Don't come in front of me. You better stay on that side. Yup, stay over there. Stay over there, bro. So good. Downshift. Downshift again. Y'all hear that? Woo! Sounds so good. So I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. A little bit of a POV for y'all. I'm back. No more vlogs because I know you guys don't like those much. But oh, there's a Chrysler. Oh, it looks like I thought it was a Hellcat. Nah, it ain't Chrysler Hellcat. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. If you liked it, like the video, subscribe, like, all that. I already said like. Oh, I'm tired right now. I woke up late today because I came in last night from Oklahoma like at 2 in the morning, so it was late. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video though, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.